Hello friends, in this video I want to teach you how to verify your account on the ByBit Exchange. After successfully registering, you enter your main dashboard and then you click on the Verify Now button, which is located at the very top of the page. In the verification section, you enter your country of residence, and the country listed on your documents must match your country of residence. You confirm the website's rules by ticking the box and then click on Confirm. Click on the Verify option in this section. Enter your country of residence. Additionally, you can choose the type of document, selecting between ID card, passport, driver's license, or residence permit. After submitting your documents, if you wish, you can continue the verification process using your mobile phone by clicking in this section, or you can click on Continue. You will see a guide for uploading a suitable ID card, and please note that the photo must be completely clear. Please note that you cannot submit duplicate documents, and you must also be over 80 years old. Finally, click on Continue. You confirm the website's rules by checking the box, and then click on Next. In the next step, you upload photos of the front and back of your ID card. After uploading the photos, you take a selfie and upload it as well. Once you have uploaded the front and back photos and taken a selfie, your documents will be under review. And as you can see, our standard account was verified in less than 5 minutes. And for the next step, we need to verify our place of residence. So we click on this option. In this section, you can see the guidelines for uploading the appropriate documents. Please note that you can use a bank statement, utility bills, internet bill, tax documents, and so on. Also, keep in mind that you should not use screenshots, phone bills, medical bills, purchase receipts, or insurance documents. After reviewing the rules, click on Next. You confirm the website's rules by ticking the box and then click on Next. In this section, if you wish, you can continue verifying your address using your mobile phone by clicking here, or you can upload the appropriate document in this section. Please note that the document must be no older than 3 months. Finally, after uploading the document, click on Next. Your documents will be reviewed. And as you can see, our account was verified in less than 5 minutes. Good luck.